Getting annoyed with the il2cpp runtime module DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. Before diving into the il2cpp runtime module technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the il2cpp runtime module, the intermediate language to C++. il2cpp library is a core part of the modern Unity engine. It converts C# managed code into native C++ code for high-performance execution. It is a mandatory dependency for almost all modern Unity games. If missing or corrupted, the game will crash during the initial script loading phase, often reporting failed to load il2cpp.dll or a silent termination. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If the host software cannot locate il2cpp runtime module DLL, it indicates a corruption in the Unity engine subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including il2cpp runtime module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for il2cpp runtime module DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning il2cpp runtime module-related issues. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for il2cpp runtime module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.